Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share 5 incredible tips and tricks that will take your Canva designs to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, these tips will help you create stunning visuals. So, let's get started. Our first tip is to make use of Canva's extensive collection of templates. Canva offers a wide range of professionally designed templates for various purposes, such as social media posts, presentations, and flyers. Simply choose a template that suits your needs, and then customize it by changing colors, fonts, and images to match your branding or personal style. Templates are a great starting point and can save you a lot of time. To create truly unique designs, it's important to master Canva's design tools. Familiarize yourself with features like layers, transparency, and alignment. Layers allow you to arrange elements on top of each other, while transparency can create stunning effects. Additionally, the alignment tool ensures that your design elements are perfectly positioned. Play around with these tools to achieve professional-looking designs. Canva's Elements library is a treasure trove of graphics, illustrations, icons, and shapes that can enhance your designs. Explore the library to find the perfect elements to complement your design. Whether you need icons for infographics or decorative elements for social media posts, the Elements library has something for everyone. Remember to use these elements sparingly to avoid cluttering your design. Our final tip is to take advantage of Canva's collaboration and sharing features. If you're working on a project with others, you can invite team members to collaborate on a design in real time. This makes it easy to gather feedback and ensure everyone is on the same page. Once your design is ready, you can share it directly from Canva or download it in various formats, such as PNG or PDF. And there you have it, 5 essential Canva tips and tricks that will help you create stunning designs. Whether you're a social media manager, an entrepreneur, or a creative enthusiast, these tips will surely elevate your design game. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your favorite Canva tips and tricks in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.